Hello co-visualizers, how's our rendering going? This is a quick tip or tutorial for 3ds Max users. So let's start. If you are caught up saving and opening your files that takes like forever, maybe this 3D Max script can help you. Some Max file takes a long time to open or save because it uses a lot of memory even though there isn't that much geometry in them. That's the reason why your files are getting heavy. Check to see if you have track nodes in your file by going to works on your file. Thanks guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my latest upload of tutorials and visualizations. Keep safe always. Okidok.